Hi, we'll be solving a remainders problem today. What is the remainder obtained when 63 raised to 25 is divided by 16? Now big number is given to us and we need to divide it by 16 and find the remainder. Whenever we have to solve this kind of problems, we will use a concept called as binomial theorem. You can find a link in the description of this video where I explain binomial theorem in more detail. In order to apply that, we will split 63 into two numbers. One number will be a big number and will be a multiple of 16. Another number will be a very small number. So if we look at 63, 63 can be split as 64 minus 1 and whole raised to 25. Where 64 is a multiple of 16 and 1 is a very small number. Now the reason we are doing this is because when we are going to expand this expression, then we are going to get a lot of terms which will be a multiple of 16 or 64. That means when they are divided by 16, they'll give you a remainder of 0. And we'll have only one term which is not a multiple of 16. So if we do this using binomial theorem, the first term will be 25C0, where 25 is this, and the bottom number starts with 0. 64 raised to 25 minus 1 raised to 0. Let's understand this in a bit more detail. Now the top will always be 25. You have a combination. Bottom of combination starts with 0, keeps on increasing till the time it reaches 25. Power of 64 starts with 25, keeps on decreasing till it reaches 0. Power of minus 1 starts with 0, keep on increasing till it reaches 25. So the next term will be 25C1, 64 raised to 24, minus 1 raised to 1, and so on. Second last term will be 25C24, 64 raised to 1, minus 1 raised to 24. And last term will be 25C25, 64 raised to 0, minus 1 raised to 25. Now, if you look at all these terms, each of this term is actually a multiple of 64 till the second last term. Only the last term is not a multiple of 64. That means each of these terms, apart from the last one, when divided by 16 will give us a remainder of 0. So our equation will be reduced to what is the remainder when this term is divided by 16. Now 25C25 will be 1. 64 raised to 0 will also be 1. And minus 1 raised to 25 will be minus 1. That means our question is, what is the remainder when minus 1 is divided by 16? And whenever we have a negative number, in order to find the remainder, we need to add that number. So our remainder will be 15 in this case. So answer will be option number E. Hope you found this video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.